2019 Toyota RAV4. The RAV4 is one of the most fuel-efficient SUVs in its class. Versatile and efficient, RAV4 mixes the comfort and drivability of a sedan with the benefits of an SUV. This highly evolved, well-packaged crossover SUV lets you have it all. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, power windows, rear window defroster, trip computer, electronic stability control, overhead console, tachometer, panic alarm, brake assist, remote keyless entry, front reading lamps, driver vanity mirror, tilt steering wheel, front bucket seats, rear window wiper, passenger vanity mirror. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.